Alright guys, good luck. We're going to go ahead and get this one going. Winner's choice, 3 options. We had 7 total spots available. We're going to go ahead and get this going. Good luck. $258. We had our PayPal 1, 2, and 3, and our Google payment right there. We are going to random. We will do 3 quick refreshes. And one more. Alright, you guys. Secure, locked, valid. Alright, 7 total spots. Today's winner is number 4. Number 4. $59. Number 4 is going to be Eddie. Nice hit, Eddie. Go message me and we will get your selection out to you. If you are looking for another tag, this will be back up, so just let me know.